So how do we train for this? How do we train to hear fast English? We must learn to hear syllables. Every word has one or more syllables, and we have to think of syllable sections and go forward practicing those sections. And so oftentimes we're taught the sections by clapping it out. Hello, how are you doing today? And I would start learning syllables slowly like that. Why? Because we've got to hear the sections apart from the other sections and not try to melt it together, which is what often people try to do when they're learning syllables. They'll just start saying, hello, how are you doing? And that is wrong. We've got to hear them separately. Hello, hello, how are you doing? And then we can kind of melt it together a little bit, but each syllable still needs to finish being said before you go into the next syllable to really have good, clean, clear, usable, intonatable English. Hello, how are you doing today?